Sometimes you don't have access to your parents' cooking, and if you have to cook for yourself, hey buddy boy, you're so cute. Sometimes you don't have access to your parents' cooking, or if your parents just suck at cooking, and you have to make food for yourself, you might not know what to make all the time. You could be craving for a certain thing. It's just the energy of thinking about what to make is already so tiring after a long day, where you just ended up, ordering takeout. So here's my solution. I found this lovely book in Chicago. I thought it would be such an awesome idea to turn this into a compilation of recipes for me and my girlfriend. And then whenever we want to cook at home, flip through this. And if there's anything that we want to add to it, we just add it. But the thing about this book is that it's made from cloth, essentially. It's not paper, it's cloth. We were thinking of using watercolor to kind of, build up a recipe and potentially turn this into a scrapbook. So this is the first recipe that we have in this book. I added this tomato egg. It's just kind of something that my parents always cooked, and we got the name here. The estimated cooking time, we wanted to keep it within 20 to 30 minutes, ideally for some nights, and keeping the instructions as simple as possible. We're going to make a pasta today, and we're going to be adding it to this page. But first, let's pick up the art supplies. And we need to decide what will be our first pasta dish to be added to this book. Watercoloring. What kind of brushes do you want? Alright, we got our stuff. Let's head back. Alright, some background music. Picked this up from one of the vinyl stores. I think it was like $5. Pretty awesome. Ooh. Oh wow, what the hell that? Alright, we got the Blick materials here. The bag. Fun, buddy. Join the fun. Hi. What you see here? Alright. Bam. Bam. Something, bro. Oh. And a pen. This will be like my second time watercoloring. What about you though? Have you watercolored before?
Only when I was like in art school, like in first grade.
Hold on, I think I got a recipe. So on my TikTok, I make myself a little collection. You can see that I got like this food collection right here. And I got like 54 videos of just food recipes. I love it. But I don't have that one. What the hell? I don't know the
folder?
Oh no, I don't have the video. I like this. I like this one.
Pork.
Oh yeah, but it's like
Don't we have pork? Should we take it?
No, it's fatty cured pork.
Oh.
With hard cheese, egg, salt, and black pepper.
Okay, do you want to make that? Let's
Yeah.
make that.
I'm sorry if I mispronounce. Guanciale. That looks yummy. Is it like the pure? Girl, I think it's the
That's the
fatty
pork?
cured pork. But first, let's find a photo of it. Oh, what a. Oh right. We got a little snack here. Oh yeah.
Dropped it.
What you looking at, Ruckus? What you looking at, boy? Which one's better? Oh, this photo or this photo? What about this one? Gosh, let's just do this one. Let's go with like that photo.
Oh, I'm looking at pasta paintings.
Honestly, you don't even have to make it super realistic. So I'm going to go out and get ingredients. Like it makes more sense for me to get the groceries right now while she paints. And I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna see how it turns out. All right, let's see what we got in the fridge. Ah! I'm just lucky that the grocery store is just 1 minute away. Not the rice section. Oh. This is what we needed.
Oh my gosh, I keep messing up. It looks so bad.
Oh my god, what do you mean? Let me
So
see.
this is the first one I tried to do, but then the watercolor is like...
No, it's fine. You did another
so
one,
bad.
and another one,
No,
and
this is
another one,
Wait, I was working on the plates.
and... No, they're so cute. No, I love this. We got this. This is not very traditional. It's my first time making this. I love some good old fresh garlic. Salt. Alright, let's take a look at what Emery's doing. Hey! How's it going? Wait, what? No, this is cute!
And I'm working on this one.
Oh, okay, I see it. So I have seen a lot of recipes online. I don't know which ones to follow. Sometimes they were like 1 egg and 3 egg yolks. Another one was like use 4 egg yolks. Another one was like 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. So I'm gonna just do 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, and we'll see what's up. Okay, this is still our first carbonara. Never made it before. There might have been some pork bark inside, but I like a chewy texture, so we'll see how that tastes. Sorry, it's kind of dark. There's literally no light here. Oh, actually, oh my god. This is the most atrocious light you can have. Like, hell no. You can kind of see me. Alright, let's do the eggs and egg yolks, yeah? Actually, before we do the egg yolks, let me just flip these. Yeah. Oh my god, there's a lot of oil. This is like a texture of what we want, so. That one, it had a little skin to it. It tastes pretty damn good to me. Yum yum yum. The most time efficient thing you could do right now is just boil water. So let's just boil water and then we do the eggs, and then, you know, the eggs should be quick. I'll be cooking some shrimps on the side too. Like a little salt, just a little bit. Alright, so the water is boiling right now. Let's do the eggs. I like how chewy it is. We don't have whole black peppers here, so I can't really toast it that way. I'll just toast it like this, you know. Nothing too crazy. Oh. It smells pretty good. Feel. Hella cheese. Oh my god. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Parmesan. Never had enough. Yes sir. No, 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 no.
Thank you for cooking.
You got the extra cheese.
A-R-B-O.
Category in bowls. Alright, that took longer than expected because it was my first time making carbonara pasta. I would say there were some steps that I would do differently the next time I do it, but we did fill out our, these empty pages. We got to do something. Let me know what kind of recipes we can kind of work with. Let us know what recipes we should put on this plate. For this plate as well, consider. Top comment with like a legit recipe that actually tastes good and not disgusting. We could put it on here. This is for today. Look at that. So cute. Carbonara, category medium, 45 minutes. Ingredients, preparation, a whole bunch of scribbles, honestly. But we'll catch you guys in the next video.